Once again, Mountain Man Life viewers. Yep, we're heading back up to Kayak. We're gonna go to Kayak. We're gonna catch a gosh darn fish if I can't help it. And we're at least gonna put the kayak in the water. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put the kayak in the water. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go enjoy nature and hopefully catch a fish. Hopefully catch my first fish. So time check for you guys, it is 6:02 on Saturday the 23rd, depending on when I upload this. Hopefully it'll be a few days later, but I'm gonna grab me some fuel and we're gonna head up there and see what the world has to offer. How did I know there'd be a lot of people? It's because everybody's cooped up. I can't stand being inside. Yeah, it's only 8. Just the fact that I had to get up at 5:45 is insane. We're gonna get out on the water and get all hooked up and put the kayak in the water for the first time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get more further out. Because my fat ass. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh, there we go. A bit wobbly at first, but. My balance is not that great. There we go. All right. Whew. Still recording? We're still recording. Okay. Guys, literally, this is, I think I have this backwards. This is literally my first time ever on a kayak. And it's amazing. It's amazing. All right. This is great. Oh, somebody's lure just saw lost. Wow. So far, so good. We're not in the water. The water level is right there, though. We are not far. I'm very nervous about standing right away, so I'm probably going to go to the other side. This is so cool, though. I'm going to go to the other side. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'm going to go to the other side and see what's going on over there. There's a lot of kayaks and boats. already out today. As fishing goes, I think I showed up late to the party. Oh man, I did not think this through. If I want to get to my baits, that's going to be a pickle. Oh, look at how far we are already. Not that far. Actually, not that far. I just looked back. But we're making it to the other side. Everything is getting wet. Oh my gosh. So glad that none of this stuff is important. And I've literally been dropping water right onto my phone and wallet, but that's why I got the bag. Over by that bank. I'm heading to that bank. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn you. Head to that bank straight ahead by those blue overhangs. Oh, he says we can't just fish by the dock. Ooh. That's what these working out's all for. Train them muscles. I did biceps yesterday, and oh, my arms are feeling it. This is going to be the first test because I have to. Oh, that's scary. Why did I put bungee cords on it? Yes, Mr. Phone, good morning. All right, so here's the real test. Getting stuff. All right, that wasn't terrible. And then just slide it on over to me. All right. We're doing good so far. Finding stability on this thing is gonna be a nightmare. I have enough issues with stability being 6'6". Now having to deal with that on a flipping kayak. Every like jolt you make. Ooh. All right. Let's grab our fishing pole. All right, so this is what we've had rigged up this whole time. This is not going to catch the fish that I want. Okay. I've seen pictures of people getting fish. I don't know how long ago that was, but they might not have restocked it. Who knows? Or I'm just a terrible fisher right now, which is fine. All right. I'm in shallow enough water that I feel comfortable to try to stand. Whoa, this is weird. This is weird. This is crazy. Whoa. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. Just need to relax. I'm drifting too, which doesn't help. Yeah, I cannot fish like this right now. I don't think I'm gonna be standing anytime soon on this kayak. So, I don't know if it's my height. Review, I do not feel stable standing on this thing. I am drifting too, which doesn't make it any easier, but I can confirm that I do not feel, unfortunately, do not feel stable standing on the kayak. Like I'm not gonna say it. I mean, I'm standing straight up now. I feel a little better. I'm just slowly drifting. All right, I'm gonna go down to the squat position, and then I'm gonna sit. Whoa. All right. All right. I'm kind of squatting. Whoa. All right. My hands are towards the back. There's the seat. Oh. All right. Let go. I don't need this right now. Nope, the other way. That was a little sketch, guys. Not gonna lie. I will definitely say, I'm sure that's obvious, much more stable sitting. I know there's bigger and wider kayaks. If it was a wider kayak, probably be way more stable, but this is, I would say, your budget advanced, well, your budget kayak for fishing, like a decent kayak for fishing. You have plenty of space for your stuff, your tackle. You got 2 rod holders. You can add more along these runners and whatnot, but as far as me being 6'6", 6'6", and 165, 170, trying to stand up, and yeah, I was drifting a little bit, but trying to stand up, I did not feel stable. Now, it's probably also because it's my first time on the water like this on a kayak and all that, but I can safely say, well, it's decent. Not gonna lie, it's a good price to get me out here, but I was just freaking out the whole time. Well, I'm seeing things. I swear I saw a damn... Oh, go this way. Everybody in there. Grandma's out here today. Oh boy. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So what we learned. I need to know how to rig up my bait. There was a lot that I didn't know about how I was rigging it up. I think the bandito bug needs, first of all, I need to know how to put it through that hook properly so that when it moves through the water, it looks attractive. Also, these fish are way smaller than I thought. I saw, I want to say 4 or 5 fish. They were shallow. They looked like trout. They didn't look like bass to me, and they were like maybe this big. And the bandito bug is like that big, and he's fat. So he probably looked, I mean, they got those small little mouths. So it probably looked too big for them to want to put into their eat them up. Hello, phone. Again, happy I was out there. I was lucky, but the price, guys, $20. It's $20 to even be here and put the kayak in the water. And I saw somebody, the fisher guys from Texas, and this was recent, and they were like, wow, $20 to put a boat in. So you know it's more expensive because there's more risk of fluids getting into the water and stuff. And it's $20 for a boat. It's $18 to just set foot. So $11 to set foot. And then $7 to put the kayak in the water. And what did I leave behind? Waves, water trails. So that's a little frustrating. Looks like I'm going to be doing a lot more hiking, or I need to figure out if there's like a pass like a park pass, a lake pass. I pay like 30 bucks or 40 bucks or something. Not for one lake, not for one area, everywhere. Otherwise, I'm going to be doing this maybe once a month. Because this sucks. I know not everybody can freaking afford $20 every time they want to go on the water. Besides that, like I said, I was happy, I was overjoyed to see fish. This lagoon lake is very small. You can see every edge from one spot. There's no like creeks or canals or anything that you can go up and explore or whatever. I think these were trout and very small fish. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some stuff done. I'm not gonna say what, because I don't know what will happen. But time check is 11. It is getting pretty hot now. I'm really considering my options as far as the next visit. First of all, I'm bringing my sunglasses. I'm not coming up here till I have sunglasses. I'm gonna get a second rod. I can say that. I'm gonna somehow get a hold of a second rod so I can have 2 rigs set up, because trying to set up line every 5 minutes or trying to change bait every 5 minutes on a kayak is not easy, especially this one. This one was, you'll see. I'm gonna end it here before I keep rambling. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know it hasn't been that crazy, but we'll get something. I'm gonna go on some hikes and whatnot, but we'll get something going. I'll get a fish at some point. There's something I'm missing. It's either my bait I'm rigging up, or when I'm going, or post spawn, or whatever. I'm missing something, so, but we'll get it. So thank you guys for all the likes and shares and comments and viewership, and I'll catch you on the next episode.